Sahara reporters made a post in 2021 and they said, Nigerian man entered India with fake passport, visa, now arrested with counterfeit US dollar bills. Okubo, who was nabbed by the police at Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, had allegedly reached India using a fake passport and visa. Look at the passport there. Federal Republic of Nigeria. Surname Okubo. Other names Nathan Ikechukwu. Place of birth Abo. The person that did this fake passport and fake dollar bills is an Abo person. His name is Okubo. A Yoruba person shared this post on Twitter. Look at what the person said. He said, they will commit all sorts of frauds and turn around to blame the government, Ndi developers. The Ndi developers that Yoruba person said is referring to Ndi Igbo. What Yoruba people are calling Ndi Igbo is Ndi developers. Ndi Igbo are known as people that establish and develop anywhere they find themselves. So, if Yoruba people want to insult Ndi Igbo, if they want to mock Ndi Igbo, they will say Ndi developer. Go to your land and develop your land. Leave Lagos State, leave Yoruba land, Ndi developer. Who is that Yoruba person referring to? She is referring to Igbo nation. Today you will see some people from Abo Kingdom telling you that Abo is not Igbo. That Abo people have nothing in common with Ndi Igbo. But whenever someone from Abo commits a crime, people will start labeling it that an Igbo person committed a crime. If you Igbo people say that you people are not Igbo people, then stop speaking a dialect of Igbo language. Because as far as you speak Ika, you are an Igbo person. What is called in Igbo dialect? Bia. What do they call the supreme being? Chuku. What do they call ground? Ale. What do they call water? Mili. So, the language of Igbo people is Igbo language. The name of the person that committed that crime is Ikechukwu. You said you are not Igbo, but your name is Ikechukwu. Igbo people don't bear Ikechukwu because their father, an Igbo man, married a woman from Anambra, from Ebonyi, from Enugu, from Imo, or from Abia. Both father and mother is from Igbo, and what they give their children are Igbo names. Their language is Igbo, and someone will be telling us that Igbo is not Igbo, but they bear Igbo name, and when they commit a crime, they will say that an Igbo person committed a crime. If you Igbo people say that you are not Igbo, stop speaking an Igbo dialect. Stop bearing Igbo names. As far as you people speak Igbo language, you are bearing Igbo name. We will keep calling you people Igbo people, whether you people like it or not. Anyone whose language is Igbo language, anyone that observes Igbo cultural tradition, anyone that observes the Igbo 4 market days, that person is an Igbo person. And that boy will do that now. You go surprise say, if they ask him, are you Igbo? He go say, I am not Igbo. If federal government want recognize this thing, what this boy do now, to say, which tribe commit this crime? They go to say, na Igbo person commit the crime. Because they know that our people who are located in Delta states are Igbo people. They're not going to say they are from Igbo tribe. No, they are Igbo people. They are indigenous Igbo speaking people in Delta states. If to say that Igbo boy na Okwane person and the name na Ikechukwu, Yoruba people will still say Ndi developer. Igbo people are the ones destroying the name of Nigeria, tarnishing the image of Nigeria. Anyone that calls Igbo people Igbo is calling Okwane people Igbo. Anyone that calls Okwane people Igbo is calling Oshime and Anacha people Igbo. If to say na Ikwere person na committed that crime, Yoruba people will say Igbo people are the ones tarnishing the image of Nigeria. They don't care whether you are from Ikwere, whether you are from Oba, whether you are from Ekwe, whether you are from Okwane, whether you are from Oshibli, Anyocha or Ika, or whether you are from Ibanke. They will say you are an Igbo person. Because your name is Igbo. Your geographical location is Igbo. If that young man is from Ibanke and his name is Ikechukwu, they will call him an Igbo person. What you are being called is what you are. As they call we Okwane people Igbo people, we are Igbo people. If to say we be Hausa people, they go to call us Hausa people. If to say we be Ijaw people, they go to call us Ijaw people. If to say we be Yoruba people, they go to call us Yoruba people. If to say we be Fulani people, they go to call us Fulani people. Why are they calling us Igbo people? It's because we are Igbo people. Our neighbors Urobo call us Igbo. Isoko call us Igbo. Ile-Ibinu people call us Igbo. Yoruba people call us Igbo. Northerners call us Igbo. Ijaw people call us Igbo. So why are some of our people saying that they are not Igbo people? They are saying they are not Igbo because they are suffering from ignorance. Ika language is not different from the Igbo language that they are speaking in the southeast. If you go to the southeast, there are so many Igbo dialects there. The way Anambra people speak is not the way Imo State people speak. It's not the way Abia State people speak. It's not the way Ebonyi State people speak. It's not the way Enugu State people speak. They understand each other, but they speak with different dialects. If you go to Ebonyi State, if Abakaleke people they speak, you go hear some of the thing where they talk. You know, we hear some of the thing where they talk. But what they are saying is Igbo language. Na Igbo that they speak. Ekpeye people, the same thing. Na Igbo that they speak. But you not go understand them the way they understand your own dialects. When you speak Okwane for me, I will understand you 100% because now my dialects. If you speak the dialect of another Igbo speaking community, I go hear what in they talk. But because I'm not from that community, I feel not understand everything where they talk. But I will hear some of the things that they say. We are one people. See, anybody where they say you don't understand their language, you not learn them from school. Once they speak since you small, you they hear. Once you speak, that they hear. All of us, they speak the same thing. We be one people. Anything where they call people when they speak that language, now that thing will be. Ndibo are called Igbo. We Okwane people are Igbo people because we are the same people with them. Yoruba people know all these things. That's why if they see your name like Ikechukwu, they go call you Igbo. Why they not call that guy Igbo person? Make it be say, okay, now Igbo person will listen kote, now he go carry head carry. If to say that guy did not be Ikechukwu, they will never say that he's an Igbo person. But he's an Igbo person. He's from Abo, an Igbo speaking community. And yet you go see some people from Abo will come, they tell you, say, we are not Igbo people. If you are not Igbo, stop speaking Igbo language. It's as simple as that. Identity crisis, they make some people not the reason fine. All those people that talk say they not be Igbo. If you see where most of these people they argue concerning this Igbo identity, you go know say identity crisis don't really destroy their brain. You go see somebody for Ika land, what they call Ike strength now, Iken, that they add N for the end. They go tell you say Ike where our brothers for Southeast they bear, which is Ike, not be the same Ike with their own. If you ask Ika people, what is the meaning of that Iken that you people are calling? They will tell you that Iken means strength. Ike in the Southeast also means strength. What Ika people call Odogu is Odogun. They add N at the end. We Okwane people, what we call Odogu is Odogu. We don't add N at the end like Ika people. In the Southeast, what they call Odogu is Odogu. The same Odogu, but some Ika people that are having identity crisis will tell you that their own Odogu is not the same Odogu with the Southeast. The same Odogu, they have the same meaning, but they go tell you say not be the same because they don't have the same spelling, intonation, and pronunciation. Identity crisis is very bad, and that be the problem where so many of these Ika people they face. Some of them go school very good in physics, chemistry, biology, maths, English, science, and so on. But when it comes to this identity issue, you go see somebody where he say, he name no Onyeka for Ika, he go tell you say, Onyeka for Ika and the Onyeka they talk for Southeast are similar, but they are not the same. This is the reason why we are here. Teaching our people to know that we are Igbo people. You don't say not be Igbo. Anything you do for the country, they're going to tag you Igbo. That is enough reason for you to know that you are an Igbo person. If to say the language of Ika people now Yoruba language, they call them Igbo. That one is understandable. If they don't say they not be Igbo, fine, we know. If to say na Bini language that they speak, they call them Igbo. They can't say they not be Igbo. Say they be Bini people, fine. But how can you be speaking Igbo language? You will still be coming out saying that you are not an Igbo person. Who are you trying to deceive? Are you trying to deceive the federal government of Nigeria, or are you trying to deceive other tribes in Nigeria that are calling you Igbo? Person they call you what you be, you still come out online, they talk say you not be Igbo person, trying to fool yourself and not those people. Because if you dey deceive yourself, they talk say you not be Igbo person, you are fooling yourself. Other people that are calling Igbo will be seeing you as a fool, because you are displaying the character of a foolish person. Yoruba person not go fit commit crime for this country, make dem talk say not be Yoruba person him be, say na a Ibibio person, or say na a Ijaw person, or say na a Calabar person. No, if that person name na Adewale, they will refer to him as a Yoruba person, because it's only Yoruba people that bear such a name. This one not be person wey be say him papa na Igbo and him mama na Yoruba, make e be say he is Adewale from Anambra State. Adewale from Ogun State is a Yoruba person. Adewale from Ekiti State is a Yoruba person. So Ikechukwu from Delta State is an Igbo person, because there are indigenous Igbos in Delta State, and for that place they talk say Ikechukwu from Abo, Delta State, and the country knows say Abo is Igbo land, indigenous Igbo region in Delta State. So all those Ika people they talk say they not be Igbo, you people should have a rethink and retrace your steps. If the same person who commits that crime name na Ochuko from Delta State, everybody don't know say na Yoruba person. Nobody will call him an Igbo person, because they know that Igbo people don't bear Ochuko as a name. Your name describes where you came from. Your name explains who you are. Anybody who hates our Igbo brothers for Southeast, now we the hate pass. Our Igbo brothers in the Southeast are proud of their Igbo identity, but we Anioma people that are proud of our Igbo identity, now we the hate pass, because they don't say we will be say we dey tell our brothers for Anioma and say we be Igbo people, make we embrace our Igbo brothers for Southeast. We are the ones that are jeopardizing the evil agenda of those people that are trying to divide the Igbo nation, because they know say this Igbo unification movement is really tearing them apart. So one of the biggest problems that the enemies of Igbo are having today is this Igbo unification movement. We have broke so many barriers against Igbo nation. In the past, how many people for Anioma land go tell you the people? But today, so many Okwane people, Ika, Oshimiri, and Anioma people are proud of their Igbo identity. Today, people from Ika, Okwane, Oshimiri, and Anioma are telling the world that they are Igbo people. Equally, people in River State, so many of them are saying that they are Igbo people today. And that is because of the awareness that the Igbo unification movement is creating. Ika people are Igbo people, stop denying your Igbo identity. You dey deny your Igbo identity, Yoruba people see they call you Igbo person. Is that not enough reason for you to know that you are an Igbo person? What Ika people are being called by Benin people is Owibo, which means Igbo person, which shows that Ika people are Igbo people. Now what people they call you, you be. If you get big guy, people they call you big guy, you get big guy. Now why they call you big guy? If you get big mouth, people they call you big mouth, you get big mouth. Now why they call you big mouth? If your language is Igbo, people will call you Igbo. If your language is Yoruba, people will call you Yoruba. If your language is Hausa Fulani, people will call you Hausa Fulani. We will continue educating our people to know that we Anioma people are Igbo people, and we are brothers with our Igbo brothers in the Southeast. Anioma people support the creation of Anioma states for we Anioma people to get Anioma states and coexist with our brothers in the Southeast. We can only get Anioma states through the Southeast and not the South-South. There is no slot for a state to be created for the South-South. That slot for state creation was meant for the Southeast, to give Igbo one more state to balance the Southeast region to have 6 states. Think about what we Anioma people will benefit by having Anioma state. Anioma state is for Bia speaking people in Delta State only, and that is the entire Delta North. And also Anioma state includes boundary adjustments for the indigenous Igbos in Edo State, Ibanke, Iru, Ekpo, and others to be carved out from the Edo State to join Anioma state through boundary adjustments. Support Anioma state creation. Igbo Bofu, Ishiegwale.